Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you how to connect the Plantronics Legend Voyager Bluetooth headset with a Windows 10 computer. So let's get started. Make sure this thing has some battery life before you connect it. And on your headset, there is the on and off switch on the back part of the headset. There is also a light indicator which will tell you when it's on and also tell you the pairing mode. Now you want to get this headset into pairing mode, and this button here will help you with that. So let's go ahead and turn it on first. You'll see it light up in blue about 3 to 4 times. And then on your side, that same button that's your answer end call, that's also the pairing mode button. That same button there, you're going to hold it down and don't let it go until it goes into the blue-red blinking light. So just hold it down starting now and don't let go until you see this right there, blue-red alternating blinking light. That means the headset is now in pairing mode and you can now actually have it show up on your computer. So next up, we're going to go into the settings of your computer. So we'll go to the bottom left, go to the startup menu, click on that one time. You'll see the gear icon that says settings. And then you'll click on that once. And then you'll go to where it says devices. You'll be in this section here. Click on where it says devices. And then you'll go ahead and use the on and off switch right there. So just turn that on. If it's not there, maybe you need to check Device Manager to enable your Bluetooth settings. Now, when that's on, to the top, you'll see Add Bluetooth Device. So just click on that one time. And then you'll see the option Bluetooth, the very first option. You're clicking on that one time as well. And then it'll start searching for nearby devices when it does that. You'll see those dots going across, and you'll see PLT Legend as audio. Just click on that one time. Once it shows up, it will say connecting. And for some of us, there's this message that's going to show up to the bottom right that will say we're setting up your device. And you'll just wait for that to show up. And then after that, it's going to tell you that it's ready to use. So it will appear somewhere down here. And then it'll tell you that your device is ready to use. Okay, so there you go. That message right there, setting up a device. And then it will tell you ready to use. And once it says that, you can go ahead and click on done. So just wait for it to say ready to use. And we're just waiting right now. You're on the right track, don't worry. All right, so you can still press done. It's okay, it will show up, don't worry. There you go, device is ready. That's the message there. And then you'll check right here where it says audio, you'll see PLT. Connected voice and music, which means you can use this as a headset or a headphones to listen to audio. And then to the bottom right of your screen where it has the volume icon, you can see where it says headphones PLT Legend Stereo. That means currently it's set as a headphones, meaning to allow for music. But then there's a section where you see to the bottom that's hands-free, which is your headset mode to use as a mic. Okay, so you can toggle between that. And I'm also going to put up a guide that will allow you to know where to go to test out the mic of your Plantronics headset as soon as this video is uploaded. So other than that, if this guide was helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications if you're new to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you.